oh boy. This is quite the shit show, literally. Pretty sure that's from 2 years ago. Okay, we got some stuff to move. You know, this is what happens. You leave things, don't clean up. Gotta clean up eventually. It's all good. We're gonna get this place looking nice and clean, ready for day-old chicks, and then about a month from now, we're gonna get hens ready to lay hens. Rhode Islands that will be pooping out, you know, nice brown eggs. So let's get to work. Let's get this all cleaned up and make it look nice. Shoveling shit. Not only do I have all this stuff to move into that trailer and then bomb it out somewhere, I got all this garbage. And this is where the day olds are gonna be. So that's all dried poop. So we got a lot of work to do. This mound of shit. Well, the first load is ready. As you can see, it spills off the side here. It's all good. Hit it with a lawnmower, spread that nice chicken crap. Won't hurt the grass, but that's the first load. A few more to go. Woo! Okay, the coop is completely cleaned. I'll get you guys. It is ready for the chickens for tomorrow. I split this up between a couple of days, but check it out. So a lot cleaner. Got the lights there. Got the water and some food for them. So they're gonna come here at not here, but I have to go pick them up around 9 a.m. tomorrow. It's either gonna be me or my wife. And yeah, obviously very excited to have 75 birds to seed, grow, raise. But yeah, it's nice to have things cleaned out. It's about time. So I got another last trailer load of old like chicken poop and bedding material. So we'll until then, we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, I'm not sure where Dan left off in the video, but we are picking up chicks today, right, buddy? Blue's more excited than I am. Yeah, we just got to the tack and feed shop, and I'm gonna go grab the little chicks. Here we go. So we have 76 chicks, not 75. I counted them. We put the chicks in and got them settled, and now we're gonna go check on them and see how they're doing. We have 76 chicks, even though we ordered 75, so we got an extra one, a little bonus chickie. I think I might have to move down the heat lamp. They are mostly there, and some of them have wandered over. So I'm gonna move the heat lamp because they're really bundled together right now.
Okay, it's the end of the day for me, work day. I'm just going inside the coop here, going to check out our new friends. Oh, baby. Okay, there you go. The new batch. That's good. We got some eating right there, some drinking. Okay, there we go. So farm life continues. You know, I just feel grateful for the fact that, yeah, we get to raise birds, healthy organic birds. You know, and it's like almost guaranteed meat in a way, which is great because price of meat has gone up, skyrocketed. So it's fantastic. I'm pumped up, excited that we're starting the farm journey, and thank you guys again for tuning in. Appreciate that, and then until next time, get outdoors, whatever that is, just get outside.